Okay, good morning guys. Today I've got a Wowstick just arrived from GearBest. So I know nothing about this at all. Let's have a look, see what we've got in the box. Right, completely sealed in cellophane. So let's see if we can get in it. Yeah, this could be more difficult than it looks. I'm in. Oops. Right, that was the easy bit. Let's get the box opened. Okay, that's heavy. Don't know what we've got in there. What have we got in here? Oh, I see. That's a pad for working on. Right, well that's useful. Very heavy, thick rubber construction. That's quite impressive. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Guessing that this is the screwdriver itself. Let's right, I'm wrong. That's the empty case. Okay. Oh, magnetic. That's clever. It's got magnets, four magnets around the edge. Right, I like that. Okay, so we're getting closer. What we got in this one? Ah, now then. Gosh, that's much smaller than I was expecting. Oh, okay. And we have life. That is actually revolving. It's so quiet. Don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, so it's come with a bit of life in it anyway. Standard micro USB charging socket on the end, and that's the bit for applying the tools. Okay, right, I'm guessing that this is the charger base for it. God, that's something else very heavy. Okay, it's just a stand. I thought that might be a charger base. I have no idea. Okay, got it. So that's just literally, it's just like a weight in effect. I don't think that does anything. Okay, so yeah, there you are. That's just a weight for sitting on your workbench or whatever. Very neat. Alright, we're getting there. What else have we got? Another heavy box. Okay, so there's another two boxes here, and obviously we've got a collection of all the bits are contained in these. So we've got one, yeah, two, and another one. Three. That's quite an impressive collection of tools that comes with. And judging by the weight of it, I'm going to say that they're probably quite high quality. Okay, what else? We got one more box. Okay, it's like Christmas. I've never seen so many boxes inside a package. Oh, okay. So we have a sucker. That's for removing screens off smartphone or whatever. Yeah, we'll pass on that one for a moment. Smartphone case opener and a jar yeah, a little jar with a collection of screws in it. Oh, there's a bit of a mystery. Okay, we've got a little jar with a collection of screws. Okay, and a standard micro USB charging lead, which I'm sure everybody's got a drawer full of the things. I certainly have. Okay, well there we are. Not a lot else to say, is there? You put the bits in there and you push the button and it whirs away. Okay, there you are. It looks exceptionally well made. I've got to say, everything's really heavy. I'm quite surprised. I don't know what this is made of. I suspect it's some sort of light alloy, but there's a fair bit of weight to it. There's a weight to everything in it, actually. Right, well, there you go. If you enjoyed watching this little video, then please subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in purchasing one, then there's a link in the description below. Thanks, have a good day. Bye.